Good afternoon. I am vjworldtv. For those that be following me, please do not stop. This is our new channel. Okay, we decided to create another channel because our channel was not properly built up. It was not properly created. So for that reason, we decided to make a new channel. Please do where to click on the follow button, subscribe for us, and you are going to keep on enjoying our recipe. On this note, we decided to bring a new show, and that show it's going to be talk show with Mama V. And on this show, we are going to be presenting a lot of fun. Like, it's going to be just a short clip so that it will get us boring. But then you are going to enjoy every bit of it. So for that reason, I leave you all to continue to send your subscription, to share, and to follow. I trust you all. I love you all. And please do where to continue to push. And if you want to appear on the talk show, you live around me, you know me, you are around me, feel free to send me a note and I'm going to respond to every of your messages. Okay, I can't wait to see you all on the talk show. I love you all. See you all on my videos, and from time to time we are going to be appearing live. Okay, and if you know you want any recipe from us, you can always send it on the comment section. Do not also forget to let us know where you are watching us from. Okay, don't forget to let us know where you are watching us from so we can from time to time give you a shout out. Okay, I love you all. Bye.